Wait, this rough, cracked piece of wood looks completely useless right now, but in just a few seconds, it's about to spin on the lathe and slowly transform into something smooth, clean, and incredibly satisfying.
For number 3, let's look at a hand sander. Specifically the flat one that a lot of us begin with when we're first starting out. I don't have a good upgrade for this. Let me show you. Now these basic sanders are very handy if we're trying to sand just a flat surface, but they have a tendency for the paper to fall out and they're not all that comfortable. So I upgraded to one of these foam sanders. Now these are great because they fit around your hands really easily. Also, because they use a hook and loop system, that sandpaper is not going anywhere once it is in place. Also, being that it's foam, if you kind of have to go around a curve, specifically maybe in a corner, over here is a nice 90-degree angle that'll allow you to get right in that corner, and it's very handy. Also, the sandpaper used on this little foam sander is the same size as your random orbital sander. So you don't have to buy 2 different types of sandpaper, you just have to buy one, and then you can interchange them between the 2. Now, if by chance you're interested in this foam sander or any of the other items I might mention in this video, I'll put a link to this and those items in the description, so make